Hi guys, I hope I'm live right now guys. If you all are able to hear me, okay, and guys there is no issue with the voice or the video guys, please let me know. Guys, please let me know if there is any issue with the voice or the video. Yeah guys, I know everything is clear today, okay? Okay guys. Yeah guys, working fine, okay? Guys, actually the yesterday in the Bangalore guys, you cannot predict the weather, okay? So because of that the cables of the internet was totally fucked up, okay? So no problem, guys. We would cover. Okay, don't worry about it. And guys, today I have a very great surprise for you. Okay, so guys, please guess in the chat box. Okay, what do you think? What this surprise will be about? Okay, please tell. Guys, this is a very great surprise, guys. Okay, think behind your limit. Okay, please. Okay, project. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Everyone is messaging good evening. Okay, guys. Good evening. Yeah, guys. Guys, if you have missed your attendance of the yesterday class, guys, it would not be happen again, okay? Because guys, I have shared the link in the this chat box, okay? And I hope many of you have filled the attendance link. Guys, please let me know how many of you have filled the attendance link. Please let me know. Message fast. Okay, you have filled. Okay, great. Guys, many of you have filled, okay? And so why you have not filled, okay? Please tell me know who have not filled the attendance. So let me see you guys who have not filled. Guys, let me clear one thing. If you will not fill your attendance in the regular basis, na guys, you will not be able to get a certificate which I have promised to you. Okay? Do you guys really want this should happen? For today class, I have not shared any link till yet. Okay, so don't worry about this today's class. Tell me about the yesterday. What you did yesterday. You have not filled the attendance. Many of you are saying that, sir, we have not filled. Guys, what's the issue? The attendance form was working properly. So what is the issue? I didn't. I filled mine. Okay, yesterday I filled. Okay. So guys, many of you have filled. Okay. Done, sir. No issues. Okay. So guys, now let me tell you. So guys, what are the surprise which I am having for you? So guys, we are going to start a new boot camp. Guys, okay, it is a very amazing boot camp in which we will teach you how you can build this Facebook login page using HTML and CSS. Guys, using HTML and CSS, guys, I know you can do that thing by using different kind of bootstrap, tailwind. There are many libraries, different time of frameworks, okay? But guys, this have you ever built using HTML and CSS? Because guys, HTML and CSS is the most basic thing, okay? So tell me, how many of you have built ever the Facebook login page using HTML and CSS? Okay. So guys, this would be a very amazing boot camp. Okay. So guys, for this, I would be sharing you a registration form in the, I can also share in the middle. I can also share in the last. Okay. So guys, you have to fill it. You have to register for that boot camp. Guys, it is a very important and interesting boot camp because we will use the HTML and CSS. Guys, many of you know how to use a framework like Bootstrap, Tailwind. Okay, but if I say you to build a site using the HTML and CSS, guys, your mind will be totally fucked up. Okay, So it is a very important, the concept, how to build using HTML and CSS. Okay. So guys, I will share the link in the between also, in the last also, okay, whenever I will think that you people are not this having a interest in this class, okay, so then I will give you. So guys, be ready now. We were gonna start our this Python. Okay, guys, notes I have attached in the description. Okay, and I hope you all have received that notes. Okay, is it clear, guys? Guys, notes are in the description. Okay, let me show you where it is. Okay, so the notes are here. Okay, so as you can see at there is top at the notes, you just have to simply click on it. Okay, and this note will open in your GitHub. You just have to log in the GitHub. Okay, in this there is everything. Okay, operators, variables. Okay, these are the very interesting notes. Okay, guys, and I'm pretty much sure, like, if you only read this note in a very deep manner, okay, so you can crack any interview of a basic level. Okay, because guys, the interview in the interview, if you are sitting, so the interviewer will not ask you any rocket science. Okay, he will ask you the basic concepts only. Okay, so I hope, guys, you all are the smart people. You know what is the this importance of learning the basics. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay. So guys, now we will just start with the Google Colab. Let me open it. Okay. So I will just open the Google Colab here. Okay, I have my notes here already opened. I will just open it. Okay, so guys, we have learned till the naming, okay, variable naming, okay, how you can name it. I have also told you this thing. Okay, so now guys, we have a thing here. As you can see, I have creating a string, right, in which I have a value 700, 1700 also, okay, and this 2000 also. Now guys, tell me in the chat box, what do you think if I print the rand, what would be the value I will be getting? Please tell me fast. Okay, so now guys, just run it and let us see what will happen. Run anyway. Okay, just wait for a second, guys. I don't know why this Google Colab is running so slow nowadays. Okay, although it is of a Google, but it's totally not accepted. Okay, so let it be run. See, guys, now guys, it is giving a value 2000. So guys, the reason behind this is, guys, it is a overwriting variable. Okay, now guys, now for an example, suppose as you are a kid, okay, and you get a toy in your birthday, that next day your father brings a good toy, more expensive and more like interesting than it, would you use the previous day toy? Guys, please let me know, would you use? Guys, you have a option between the good toy or that toy which is not up to the mark. Would you use the toy which is not up to the mark? Guys, it's obvious. So this is how, guys, the Python works. If we create a variable, okay, and after it we override the variable with the another value, so it will read the another value. Okay, now for an example, let me create another here 3300 suppose. Guys, now let me know fast, what would be the value if I print it? Please tell me. Yeah, guys. Okay. So you people are very smart. Okay. It will show definitely the new value, which is 300. Okay. See, guys, it is showing me the 300. So, guys, this is how the overwriting the variable work. Okay. For this, guys, I have also provided this thing in a note. Okay. If we had then caused some damages to the property during our crazy house party, we have to pay for them. Then we just apply these changes directly. Okay. It is all about that. I have explained you this thing. Okay. So now, guys, I have one more code here, guys, in which I have a rent this 1700, 2000, and then I have created this arithmetic here. So guys, please let me know fast, what would be the answer here if I print it? Please tell me fast. Tell me fast, guys. Okay. So guys, if I run it, see, guys, it is giving me 2700. So the reason behind that is, guys, I have overridden the variable here. Okay, so it will consider the second value as a value which it has to be operated. Okay, and it will just execute it. Okay, and now if I print it rent, so the formula goes in the same way. Okay, in the line, guys, 3, the variable rent is being assigned to itself plus 700, which is result to this 2700, because such okay, so it is all about that only. Just I have explained you in a theoretical way, guys. These nodes are very important. Okay, please go in the deep through it. Okay, and I am pretty much sure that you will understand each and everything. Okay, so you just have to like maintain a decorum. You have to read it every day. You have to invest some time every day. Okay, and I'm pretty much sure that you will able to understand it. Guys, my screen is having no problem today. Okay, so if it is, it's from the your end. Okay, my internet is working perfect. Okay, let me also show you using the Okla if you people think. See, guys, okay. So I don't think my internet is having any type of issue today. If it is, it's totally from the your end. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So now, guys, coming to the next part, integers and float, guys. Okay. So integers, guys, I have told you what are the integers. So any number is a integer in a Python. Okay, so far the number that we have dealt with were mostly whole numbers or integers, but as you may have notices that other types of number do also exist. Okay, so guys, there are the numbers like float. Okay, so guys, if I print 3 by 2 and if I run it, okay, so it is showing me a 1.5, guys, but if I print the type of it, so guys, tell me fast, what will be the type of it? Okay, I think I have to remove this bracket. It is an extra bracket. Yeah, perfect, guys. Tell me what will the type of it? Okay, guys, I hope you have understand that thing. Okay, so guys, definitely it is a float type. Okay, it is giving us a error. Okay, I have to implement the bracket here. Guys, you have to take care about the brackets. Okay, otherwise it will give you an error. Okay, so guys, now I have a one more thing, guys. Okay, so it is very simple. You can easily analyze that a is an integer and b is a float. Okay, now if I run it, see, guys. Okay, so now, guys, we have a one more thing in the Python. Okay, so we can also change the data type. Okay, so guys, now let me know what is this 3? It is an integer or it is a float? Tell me fast. Guys, what is this? 3 is an integer or it is a float? Okay, many of you are writing the integer. Okay, but now if I print it, so let us see what will be happening. Okay, it is giving me a value 3.0. Okay, no problem. If I print the type of A, I will just simply add the type here. Okay, and I will just simply here also add a type of B. Yeah, perfect. And now if I run it, see guys, it is giving me A as a float and this B as an integer. Okay, so guys, the reason behind that is because I have converted the data type here. Okay, I have added A is equal to float. So basically I have ordered Python. Okay, see Python, this 3 is no integer. Okay, it is not an integer. Now you will consider it as a float. So it has executed our command. Okay, it has converted it as a float value and this float value as an integer value. Okay, and apart from it guys, if I use the string here, okay, let us see what will be happening. See guys, now it has converted it as a string. So guys, Python usually work on our order. Okay, so we can say we just have to order the Python. Okay, like if you want to do something, we just have to order it. See Python, do this thing. So he will definitely do for you. Okay, and guys, now let us see. Okay, here I have a very good example. Okay, guys, now if I print it, so let us see, it is giving us a value false. Okay, so guys, can you tell me why it is giving me a value false? Yeah, guys, because it is of this double equal to which we have assigned to it. Okay, because of it, it is showing us the value as a false. Okay, so basically guys, it is about the boolean. Okay, I have told you about the boolean, how this thing works. Okay, so now coming to the part. Okay guys, why you guys are always asking from the attendance? Okay, guys, if you are here in this bootcamp, guys, please try to learn something, okay? Because it will only help you in the future. The attendance will not help you, it will just give you a certificate, although it is very important. But, guys, learning the skills is more important than it, okay? Yeah. And, guys, now let me share you a registration form which I have promised you for the Facebook. Okay, so it is about the Facebook built using HTML and CSS. We will be building a login page using HTML and CSS. Okay, so let me. Okay, so guys, I have pinned that form. Okay, guys, please fill it as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah, guys, you will get a certificate for this bootcamp also. Okay, you will. It is a very interesting bootcamp. You will get a certificate from company like Microsoft, Amazon. Okay, so it is a very important certificate. Okay, so guys, please register. Guys, it is not a attendance link. Okay, it is a registration form for the upcoming bootcamp for this Facebook login page using HTML and CSS. Yeah, everyone has to fill it. Okay. Yeah, guys, we will teach you from the scratch how to build using the HTML and CSS. Okay, please fill as soon as possible. Okay. You people will enjoy it, okay? Okay, so now coming back to our data types. Okay, so guys, this is the Boolean type data type. Okay, so guys, if tell me fast, what if I print this a is equal to 3 greater than 1? Okay, what would be the answer of it? Please tell me fast. Okay, yeah, guys, it would be a true. See, guys, it would be a true. But now, what if I use the equal to 3 is equal to 1? If I print it, oh, it is giving me a error, okay, because this equal to is in the 2, okay. For if I use 3 is less than 1, so let us see what would be happening. Guys, again false, but 3 is greater than it. True, guys, okay. But if I use the value 6 here, okay, so this is how, guys, this Boolean data type comparison, guys, basically what we have done here, we have used the comparison operator here, okay. So like we have ordered the Python, see Python, I have given you a two value, okay. So please compare between them. So Python has compared between them, okay. So let me read it. Bool is other data type that is commonly used in the Python. Boolean is short for the Boolean, okay, which we have a value of either true or false. Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra in which the values of the variables are the truth variables, true or false. Boolean algebras for the framework on which all electronic devices and okay. So guys, you know that the all electronic devices are built in this Boolean also. Okay, because guys, you learned about the logic gates. Okay, it is will be either 1 or be a 0. Okay, so this is how, guys, this thing gonna work. Okay, so it would be either a false or either it would be a 0. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you have understand what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, guys, register for this bootcamp as soon as possible. It would be an amazing bootcamp. Okay, you will get the certificate from Amazon, Microsoft, and the big MNCs. Okay, guys, we will teach you the building Facebook that login page from the scratch. Okay, and it will also reflect in your resume. Guys, for an example, suppose you are going for a interview in a company, okay, and you show your resume and they see this project, guys, it would be a very like it would give a very good impression of you, because guys, it is not a easy thing everyone can do by using the framework, but using HTML and CSS, guys, not everyone can do. Okay, but we will teach you that thing, because guys, we know that basics are very much important. The question put up in the interview would be on the basics only. Okay, they will not ask you about the rocket science. Okay, so guys, this is all about the Boolean. So guys, now what we have done here, we have created a program for the rent. Okay, so we have sent rent is equal to 1200, is affordable is equal to rent is greater than 1000, and rent is greater than less than 2000. Print is affordable. Okay, now guys, if I print it, see guys, it is giving me a value true. Okay, but if I change the value, like suppose 3000, and if I run it, see guys, it is giving you a value false because I have set it. Okay, if rent is between the 1000 and 2000, so give me a value true. Okay, or else give me a value false. But as a 3000 doesn't lie between them, so that's why it is giving me as a value false. Okay, have you understand this thing, guys? Is it clear? Tell me fast. Tell me fast, guys. It is clear. Yeah, it's clear, guys. Okay, so is there any Guys, bootcamp is totally free, okay? Please don't worry. We are not that kind of people, okay? We will teach you in the free, okay? This bootcamp is totally free. You don't have to pay any fees, okay? Because we also know, guys, that if we charge fees for this small thing, okay, it would be very much difficult for people, okay? Our main objective, our main agenda is to spread the knowledge, okay? Not to gain the money, okay? So please don't worry on that part, okay? It is totally free. Sir, how to download notes? Guys, download notes I have shown you. These are in the this notes. I provided you the GitHub link. Don't worry about that. Okay, and now guys, coming to this strings. Okay, so guys, I have told you about the strings. You have to use the double quotes. Okay, like for an example, I have used the print shape API. You can also use the single quote, but the case should be not like if I have a one quote as a double and one quote as a single. Okay, and guys, I have created a string here as a motto, and if I print it, let us see what will happen. Guys, it is printing me the string which is learned code complete in turn. Okay, so it is our main agenda of the DevTown basically. Okay. Okay, and now if I print the type motto, see guys, it is giving me a string here. Okay, because it is a string. It is in a double quote, it is a string. I am printing the type of it is a string. Okay. See guys, now I have created a dialog. Shiva said you learn as you grow. But guys, what the mistake I have done here, I have used the one quote here, and in the middle I have also used the quote. So now if I print it, so let us see what will be happening. See guys, it is giving me an error, okay, because we cannot like use quote anywhere in the between. Okay, there are some basic rules of the Python which we have to follow. Okay, so guys, we cannot breach the rules of the Python. But now guys, what if I remove the quotes from the here? Let us see what will be happening. Okay, where is the output? Okay, so it is running, but what if I now print the dialog? Okay, print dialog. See guys, now it is printing it perfectly. Okay, so guys, you have to take care of this syntax. You should not get the syntax error. And guys, trust me, when you are the working with the Python, if you get the syntax error now, it would be totally fucked up. Okay, it is very much clear. It is very much hectic to solve the syntax error. Okay, so guys, this is all about that only which I have told you. Okay, so now guys, what I have done here, I have used a single quote here. Okay, and I have used the double quote in the between, guys. Please tell me fast, will it run or not? Tell me fast, will it run or not? Many of you are saying no, many of you are saying yes. Let us run it. Okay, then say it. See guys, it is running because the reason behind that is, okay, so we have used the black shape, this backslash to, okay, to skip quotes, as you can see. Wait guys, let me have a water. Okay, okay, so guys, in that case we can use a backslash to skip quotes. As you can see in the example, the backslash helps Python to note that the single quote should be interpreted as part of the string rather than the quote that ends the string. Okay, so in the this upper section we was not having this backslash. Okay, but guys, now let us see what if I, okay, put this backslash here. Okay guys, will it run? Let us see. See guys, now it is running perfectly. Okay, because we have given the backslash here. Okay, so guys, it is a very important concepts in the Python. Okay, guys, you have to take care of this small things in the Python. Okay, because guys, if you got stuck in the error like this, Okay, it is very much hectic to solve. Okay, so guys, let me share you the today's attendance. Okay, and guys, I can take the attendance also at the last. Okay, and if you miss one of the attendance also, you will not get the certificate of this boot camp. Okay, I will make it clear, you will not get it. That's why I am putting attendance anytime which I want. So guys, I have pinned the attendance form, guys. Please fill it as soon as possible. Registration link I have also sent. Okay, in the last, guys, I will say send you the registration link once more. Okay, don't worry on that part. Okay, if you want, I can send you it once more. Okay, let me see, guys. What is the attendance link or yeah, it is the attendance link. Okay. Okay, guys, please fill it. Don't worry about it. Should it is a day 3 or day 4. Okay, you will get the attendance if you are filling it. Okay, don't worry. Just ignore it. Okay, your response would be recorded. Don't worry. Okay. So now, guys, coming to the part. Okay, this I have told you. Okay. So guys, there are few operators that we use on floats and integer that can also be used on the strings. For example, we can use the plus to combine this concentrate to string others. Okay, so let me guys print it and show you what would the output of it. See guys, now we have like assembled the string. Okay, we have used the addition sign. Okay, in the between. Okay, so we can also add the string here. Okay, so as you can see, there is a hello world in which we have a between the space. Then I have used a plus sign. Okay, and after this printing it, we have combined this both letter. Okay, so we can also do that thing, guys, in the Python, guys. Okay, so basically, guys, Python provide you everything. Okay, so and guys, now let us see. Okay, so guys, what is this example about? So we have created the word, okay, in as a string in which we are having a value hello. But now, guys, the game is that I have used the multiplication operator here, okay, with the 5. So if I print it, see guys, now this hello is showing as a in the 5. Okay, we have printed the hello 5 times because guys, we have used the multiplication here in the between. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yeah, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, you are very smart people. Okay. So, guys, now I have one more example. Okay, I have created the two string here, word 1, word 2. Okay, now I use the black slash between them. Okay, but now if I print it, so guys, I am getting a syntax error. Okay, because guys, it is an unsupported operand. I cannot use this front slash here. Okay, so guys, it is a like unsupported operand. Okay, guys, please go through the notes. Okay, after this class, please go through this notes once more. Okay, and read this notes in a very deep way. Okay, so I'm pretty much sure that all your doubt would be very much clear. Okay, so now guys, what I have done, I have created a string here. Okay, so word length is equal to length shape AI. Now if I print this, so let us see what will be happening. Okay, so it is giving me a length of the shape AI word which is 7. So guys, this is the how we can find the length of any word. Okay, now if I write here Bootcamp. So guys, tell me what would be the output now? Fast. Yeah, guys, the output will be a 8. Okay, because guys, this length function, by this length function, we can find the length of any string here. Okay, so and now guys, there is a one question. Okay, so guys, I have a question for you. Okay, so the line of code in the following blocks use a syntax error. Okay, thanks to the misuse of quotation mark. First run it in the test run to view the error message and then resolve. Okay, so guys, now let us resolve it. Okay, so guys, it is telling me it is a invalid syntax. Okay, but now what if I use the backslash here? Now if I print it, okay, so now it is showing me it is at the last. Perfect. If I use the backslash here also, no, it will not run. Okay, so the thing is, we have to use it here, I think. Let us see. Okay, so now guys, it is running perfectly. Okay, and now if I print this see guys, now it is running perfectly. Okay, so guys, I have told you in the upper this section also. So this is how guys you're gonna use the backslash. Okay, whenever it is used, because guys you have to take care of the syntax. Okay, is it clear guys? Yes guys. Okay. Okay, so guys, in this question, you have to print the accuracy log of a model in training. Okay, so I have a model. Okay, accuracy, print a log message, the variable above. Okay, guys, let me skip this. Okay, because at that time it is not like it is very much difficult to understand. Okay, so first let us cover this theoretical part. Okay, after this I will tell you okay how to solve this. Okay, so now type and type conversion. Okay, so guys, I have a values here. Let us see what will be happening here. See guys, till now guys we have covered four different data types: integer, float, boolean, string. Okay, as you can recall from the previous classes, Python has a built-in function called as type that returns type of an object. Guys, this thing I have told you. Okay, so guys, it is giving me a type as an integer because it is an integer. For this I am getting a type as a float because it is a float. For this string, for this boolean. Okay. Okay, so now guys, for an example, I've created this decimal. Okay, so in this decimal, I have a float value 3. Now I will print decimal. Okay, type decimal. So guys, tell me what would be the type of the decimal if I print? Tell me fast. Okay, so guys, it is a float. Okay, because I have assigned it as a float. Is it clear? And guys, in the next example, we created a string from the integer variable marks and used that to create a larger string. Okay, so guys, marks is equal to 15, subject is equal to coding, semester is equal to first. Okay, so result is equal to I scored plus string marks plus 1. Okay, so guys, tell me fast, what will be the output of it? Tell me. Guys, please don't ask for the notes again and again. I have provided that you think in the description. Okay. Are you guys idiot? I have to tell you everything. again and again. Okay, please act smart, guys. Okay, now guys, if I print it, see guys, I scored 15 in coding during my first semester. Okay, so guys, what I have done here, I have used the concepts of the Python. Okay, I have created the string here, the marks. Okay, and guys, it is very simple. Okay, I have told you this thing in the upper section also. Okay, and I'm pretty much sure that thing is very much clear. And guys, we can also create and float from the string. Okay, so marks is equal to 15 here. Print marks type. Okay, it would be a, oh, okay, it would be a integer. But now if I change it, type marks. Okay, so let us see, guys. It is a very interesting. See, guys, now we are getting the two output. Okay, in the upper output we are getting it as a string. Okay, and in the lower output we are getting it as a float. Okay, so I hope, guys, this thing is very much clear to you. Guys, is it clear? Guys, if I put the nodes in the PDF, then how you can use it in the Google Colab? Okay, act as a smart. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is where I am having a also an example like this. Okay, for which I have a total sales here. Okay, so in this I have Monday sales, Tuesday sales. Okay, and the total sales. So float, I have changed it to the float. Okay, float this Tuesday. Okay, now if I print it, let us see. This week's total sales is equal to 529. Okay, so it is also showing in the float manner because in the end I have used the float in the all these sections in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Okay. So one more important string format. Okay, let me show you. Okay, guys, we will be using the format this bracket string method a good bit in our future work in the Python, and you will find it very valuable in your coding, especially with your print statements. Okay, we can best illustrate how to use format by looking at the some example. Okay, so I have a example here. Okay, so guys, apart from this giving our value as a equal to, you can also create a string by using the brackets. Okay, for an example, I have used it as a in a bracket. Now if I print it, see guys, now it is also considering it as string. Okay, so there are the two methods in the Python by which you can create it as a string. Okay, so Muhammad has 27 balloons. Okay, there's EG2. Yeah, okay. So guys, I hope now this thing is very much clear. Is it clear, guys? Yeah, guys, whatever the day is, okay, don't like see for the day which is the form is having. Okay, you will get the attendance. Don't worry on that part. Okay, you will get the attendance. Okay, so guys, I think for this day we are completed with it. Okay, for the other things which we have 2 more days. Okay, and we will complete in upcoming 2 days. Okay, then we will start with a project. Okay, we will made a basic project in the Python, and it would be a surprise for you guys. Okay, and guys, now I will tell you about the this registration form. Guys, please tell me fast, how many of you have filled this registration form? Done, sir. Guys, attendance link I have pinned here. Okay, now the time is over. I will unpin it now. Okay, attendance link I have shared. Now I will share the link for the registration for the Facebook page, login page, using HTML and CSS. Guys, fill it properly. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So now, guys, let me again share you the registration form for this amazing boot camp. Okay, guys, it would be a very amazing boot camp. Okay, attend it. You will learn a very good thing in this boot camp. So, guys, the form is being pinned here. Okay, so you have to fill it. Guys, fill it and acknowledge me fast in the chat box. Okay. So maximum of you have filled it. Right, guys? Guys, many of you are asking me for my name. Guys, my name is Kashish Karanwal. Okay, is it clear? My name is Kashish Karanwal. Let me also write it. Is it clear? Super class, sir. Thank you very much. Guys, project would be a surprise for you. Okay, I will not reveal it. Okay, definitely I will not reveal it. How many times you will ask me, I will not reveal it. Okay, guys, it would be a good project. Okay, not it would not be a that much high project. Okay, like for the industry level, but it will be a good project. Okay, I can assure you, it would be a good project. You will learn some good thing. Okay. Okay. So guys, tell me how many of you have filled that form fast? Okay, fill it, done, sir. Okay. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this bootcamp class for the today. Okay, without any lag. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Okay. So guys, bye bye. Take care, guys. Take care, guys. Good explanations are okay. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.